So let's open one of the existing finance charge terms and edit. Of course, we have to put some code and description. We have also our line description and detailed lines description. %5 means that system in the description will use one of the fields calculated by the printout. So in this case, this will be interest amount. We have a minimum amount. So above this amount, system will do the calculations. We can assign additional fee that will be calculated into our finance charge. We have a interest rate and interest period in days. So we have these two fields connected with each other. We can choose how system will calculate the interests. So we can be calculated by open entries, closed entries, or all entries. And we can use two methods: average daily basis. In this case, the number of days the payment is overdue is taken into account, and with balance due, the finance charge is simply a percentage of the overdue amount. So you can choose one of the options. Due date calculation, this is the way system will calculate the due date on final finance charge. And the grace period, this is the period the system will wait for the invoice to be overdue, and it will prepare finance charge memo. You can choose, of course, do you want to post interest or post additional fees? You can also add additional line fees in this document. So we will check mark all two options. So we will post interests and additional fees. So let's check now, based on customer posting group, what accounts will be used there. Let's go to advance, interest account, and additional fee account. So in domestic, system will use those two settings here. Let's come back to our finance charges terms. For finance charge terms, we have also our beginning and ending text. We don't have levels here. We have just one finance charge, but we can put our beginning text and ending text in the document. This is the total. So system will put the total in the description here. Okay. If you want to use different interest rates, you can put the starting date and interest dates and interest period for each period. So we can put, for example, different interest rate for each year. Okay, let's now open our finance charges and try to create.